Thank you, Pushpendra, for joining back in. Thank you, Rupal. So, Pushpendra, we will sit comfortably, okay, in Vajrasana. Okay, so let's sit comfortably in Vajrasana. Hope, okay, I need to switch on my video. Video. Yeah. So sit comfortably, okay. Vajrasana में बैठ जाए, okay. So let's do Anulom Vilom, okay. So let's do Anulom Vilom for 9 counts, okay. So you breathe with one nose and then breathe out with the other nose. Maintain the flow. Do it for 5 counts. Breathe in for 5 counts and breathe out for 5 counts, okay. So let's start. Okay, close with your thumb. Close your right nose with your thumb. इसमें भी है साइंस है कि किस नाक से पहले स्टार्ट करना है, either from the left side or from the right side. Okay, left is known as Chandra Nadi, right is known as Surya. Okay, so कभी भी अगर आपको प्रॉब्लम होता है सर दर्द का, ठीक है, तो आप जो है लेफ्ट से सांस लें और राइट से छोड़ें, फिर लेफ्ट से सांस लें, राइट से छोड़ें। तो अगर ये काम 5 मिनट तक करेंगे तो सर दर्द आपका चला जाएगा। और अगर सर्दी खांसी है तो राइट से सांस लें और लेफ्ट से छोड़ें। डू इट फॉर 5 मिनट्स, तो आपका सर्दी में काफी रिलीफ मिलेगा व्हेन यू डू इट रेगुलरली फॉर 3-4 टाइम्स अ डे। ओके, सो लेट्स डू अनुलोम विलोम। कीप योर आईज क्लोज एंड फॉलो माय इंस्ट्रक्शंस बिकॉज़ आई बिलीव यू ऑल नो कपालभाति। इसके बाद हम कपालभाति करेंगे, नॉट कपालभाति, इसके बाद हम भस्त्रिका करेंगे। भस्त्रिका इज लाइक दिस, कीप योर हैंड्स लाइक दिस, फिस्ट, ओके, फिंगर्स क्लोज। और उसके बाद सांस अंदर लेते हुए बाहर में ब्रीथ इन, सो यू ओपन योर हैंड्स एंड ब्रीथ आउट। नीचे एक जर्क देके नीचे लेके आएंगे एंड सांस जो है आपकी बाहर, पूरा सांस बाहर लेके आएंगे। सो इट्स अ मूवमेंट, सांस जो है यहाँ थ्रोट से बाहर आएगा। तो इससे क्या है, बॉडी टेम्परेचर जो आपका यहाँ पे गले का टेम्परेचर वो बहुत बढ़ जाएगा। तो कुछ भी इंफेक्शन वगैरह है तो इट विल डाई ऑटोमेटिकली। ओके, सो इट्स लाइक दिस, ब्रीथ इन। So this is Bhastrika. So we will do 20 repetition each for 3 times. Okay, 3 rounds के लिए करेंगे 20-20-20। उसके पहले हम लोग अनुलोम विलोम करेंगे and then we will do Kapalbhati. I believe like you all have time, it will take 20 more minutes. So please bear with me. अगर time नहीं है तो we can reduce this, but I believe this is very important process. Okay, so let's do it for 20 more minutes. Bear with me and let's start with Anulom Vilom. Keep your eyes closed and follow my instructions. ओके, दोनों उंगलियों को थंब के बाजू में जो मिडिल फिंगर है और इंडेक्स फिंगर है उनको फोरहेड पे रखें एंड स्टार्ट ब्रीदिंग विद द लेफ्ट नोज एंड ब्रीथ आउट। ब्रीथ इन विद द राइट नोज एंड ब्रीथ आउट विद द लेफ्ट नोज। ब्रीथ इन, आउट। एंड रिलैक्स। एक साधारण सांस अंदर और बाहर, एक साधारण सांस अंदर और बाहर। भस्त्रिका की पहले राउंड के लिए तैयार। हथेलियां कंधों के बगल में, मुट्ठी बंद। एक साधारण सांस अंदर और बाहर. Get ready for Bhastrika. Breathe in, out, in, out. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. एंड रिलैक्स. हथेलियां घुटनों पे आसमान की तरफ खुली हुई. एक साधारण सांस अंदर और बाहर. एक साधारण सांस अंदर और बाहर. Get ready for second round of Bhastrika. It's very important to keep your eyes and mouth closed. You gain a lot of oxygen and a lot of energy within your body. You need to contain it within your body. Okay, when you open your eyes and mouth, it rushes out from your body, which is not good. Okay, so keep your eyes and body closed. I need to speak, so please excuse me for this, but you need to keep your eyes and mouth closed during this entire process. Second round, Bhastrika. एक साधारण सांस अंदर और बाहर. Now breathe in, out, in. When 20 counts is done, relax. हथेलियां घुटनों पे आसमान की तरफ खुली हुई. साधारण सांस अंदर और बाहर. एक साधारण सांस अंदर और बाहर. भस्त्रिका की तीसरी राउंड के लिए तैयार. हथेली बाजू में, कंधों के बाजू में, मुट्ठी बंद. साधारण सांस अंदर और बाहर. भस्त्रिका की तीसरी राउंड के लिए ब्रीथ इन, and relax. Now we will do Kapalbhati for 100 counts. Kapalbhati में बहुत सारा वेरिएशन है. आप जो स्ट्रोक देते हैं, आप छोड़ते हैं सांसों को, उसको स्पीड जो है उस पर कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. एक स्लो होता है, मीडियम होता है एंड देन फास्ट होता है. तो आप अपने हिसाब से करें जिसमें आप कंफर्टेबल हैं, या 30 स्लो, 30 मीडियम एंड 30 और 40 फास्ट, ऐसा कर सकते हैं. What we will follow is fast because हम लोग all young हैं, not too old, and we can do it and we can handle it. Okay, so let's try to do Kapalbhati. हाथ को, फिंगर्स को इंटरलॉक कर लें और नेवल के पास लेके जाएं. मेक अ नाइस सर्कल. जो एनर्जी का संचार है वो इस प्रोसेस में बहुत ज्यादा होता है. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस कूलिंग डाउन एक्सरसाइज. ओके, सो सॉरी आई मिस टू मेंशन, यू कैन टेक अ मैट, ओके, एंड सिट देयर कंफर्टेबली. अगर नहीं लिया है तो अभी ले लें. आई विल डू दैट बिकॉज इसके बाद हम समासन करेंगे. ओके, सो कपालभाति के लिए तैयार. इंटरलॉक योर फिंगर्स और नेवल के पास लेके जाएं. एक साधारण लंबी सांस अंदर और बाहर एंड अपना काउंट आप मेंटेन रखें. कोशिश करें 100 तक करने के लिए. उसके बाद 50 काउंट जो है वी विल प्रोड्यूस अ साउंड ऑफ हम का साउंड प्रोड्यूस करेंगे. With every breathe out, we will produce a sound of hum. Remember that you don't need to breathe in because the automatic process, it happens automatically. हम सांस लेते नहीं है, सांस चलती है. So it's an automatic process. So when we breathe out, कपालभाति में जब हम सांस बाहर की तरफ छोड़ते हैं तो बॉडी से पूरा का पूरा प्रचुर मात्रा में जो पुराना ऑक्सीजन फंसा हुआ है एक एक सेल में वो बाहर निकलता है. And simultaneously fresh oxygen goes inside our body. So let's do Kapalbhati for 100 counts. Maintain your own count. एक लंबी सांस अंदर और बाहर और लंबी सांस अंदर लेते हुए स्टार्ट कपालभाति. Come what may, do it. Okay, do it with every count. Come what may, do it. This will have tremendous benefit inside your body. अगर कुछ एलिमेंट्स वगैरह है, बीमारी है, वो ऑटोमेटिकली हील हो जाएगा अंदर का. So come on, let's do it. Keep a smile on your face, maintain a smile. I'm done. You do it till you are done with 100. And then sit down in Sukhasana, keep your eyes closed. पैरों को थोड़ा मसाज कर लें अगर अपना नाम नहीं है तो, otherwise it's okay. And then taking your own time, lie down on your back with your palms lying beside your waist and shoulder width distance between your feet. Okay, so just lie down and observe your breath. During this process, you have gained a lot of fresh oxygen, a lot of energy. And now what we will do is Savasana. Okay, so Savasana or Yoga Nidra. So during this process, our conscious and subconscious meets, and it's a very wonderful process, very deep relaxation. Okay, so it is said it is a good, very good meditation as well. So it is said sleep is unconscious meditation, and this savasana is or meditation is conscious sleep. Okay, so in this process we receive a lot of energy. Okay, so in our body ailments happens और बीमारी प्रॉब्लम तब आता है जब हम एनर्जी गेन करते हैं कम और उनको खर्च ज़्यादा करते हैं. बट जब हम मेडिटेशन करते हैं तो वी गेन दिस एनर्जी इन abundance. Okay, so जो भी हमारे बॉडी में एलिमेंट्स वगैरह ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ एनर्जी होता है, so that gets automatically healed during this process. So lie down on your face, okay, on the mat. Observe your breath. Okay. Focus on your breath. It's completely very thin. It has become very thin. बहुत ही छोटी हो गई है breath, and you are full of oxygen. Okay. When you do it regularly, you will feel that you don't need to breathe during this time because your body is full of oxygen. Okay. So observe your breath. Your thoughts will come and go away. Don't ponder on them. Let them come. जैसे आए हैं वैसे ही वो चले जाएंगे. Just observe your breath and the flow of energy within your entire body. So lie down and focus on my instruction and follow as I instruct. So this is a very amazing process. I promise you, you will have a deep relaxation during this process. So I will tell the name of the body part. So you relax that body part. उसको शिथिल कर दें as if there is no energy. That body part doesn't exist in your body. Okay? So it's like sub is like dead body which doesn't have any movement. So we will go into that state. That is a deep relaxation state. So focus on your right leg, thumb, feet, heel, calf, knees, thigh. Your complete right leg is now relaxed. Focus on your left leg, toes, feet, ankle, calf, knee, thigh. Your complete left leg is now relaxed. Now focus on your right hand, thumb, fingers, palm, wrist, elbow, hand, shoulders. Your complete right hand is now relaxed. Focus on your left hand, thumb, fingers, palm, wrist, elbow, shoulder. Now your complete left hand is also relaxed. Observe the sensation within your body. Focus on your breath. Now focus on your hip, lower back, upper back, entire spine is now relaxed. It is शिथिल हो गया है, कोई मूवमेंट नहीं है उनमें. It is completely relaxed. And focus on your lower abdomen, upper abdomen, chest area, neck, chin, mouth, cheek, ears, head, hair, forehead, eyes, and nose. Now your entire body is relaxed. You are going into a deep state of savasana. With regular practice, you will have an amazing feeling. By and by, you will be able to connect your consciousness and subconsciousness, which will help you to achieve any of your goals. Now, take a moment to thank your parents because of whom you are here in this world. Take a moment to thank your relatives, your family members, your well-wishers, your friends, your neighbors, your helpers, your colleagues, your teachers. Thank them from the core of your heart. Thank you, God, for this wonderful day. Thank the environment in which we live in. So have a sense of thankfulness for each and everything which are around us and which we see. Now, take a moment to remember that if you might have caused any hurt to anyone, okay, knowingly or unknowingly, then just seek forgiveness from them. अगर आपने जानबूझ के या अनजाने में किसी को दुख पहुंचाया है, नुकसान पहुंचाया है, तो just seek forgiveness from them. Remember the name of that person and say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. These are the four magical words. So say sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. अगर किसी ने आपको जाने अनजाने में दुख पहुंचाया है या बहुत नुकसान पहुंचाया है, just forgive them and forget that. So forget and forgive and move ahead in your life. So just say, I forgive you for the mistake or for the hurt you have caused to me. So I forgive you. I forgive you. I forgive you. Now, remember your goals, your purpose of your life for which you are on this planet. Remember your long-term goals. Just visualize that you have already completed your goal, your most important goal, which you always wanted to, which is your long-term goal, which will bring tremendous difference, positive difference in your life. So you have already completed that and you are celebrating it with your family. So have a sense of fulfillment and enjoy the feeling. You are very happy
You are very happy and enjoying with your family as you have completed your long-term goals. Just visualize, be in this mood for a while, focus on your breath, and visualize as if all your long-term goals, short-term goals, medium-term goals is already complete and you are enjoying, you're celebrating, you're happy, you're happy, you're happy. Say thank you to God for helping you in achieving your goal. Now, repeat after me within yourself, in your mind. I'm a powerful being. I'm a powerful being. I'm a powerful being. I'm a peaceful soul. I'm a peaceful soul. I'm a peaceful soul. All I need is within you, within me. All I need is within me. All I need is. I have a perfect, healthy relationship with everyone. I have a perfect, healthy relationship with everyone. I have a perfect, healthy relationship with everyone. I have a perfect, healthy body. I have a perfect, healthy body. I have a perfect, healthy body. Say thank you to God and be in this moment, be in this state for a minute, two. Observe your breath. Observe the calmness inside you. So this energy which you have gained is healing you. All the negative emotions, negative energy present inside your body is moving out. और एक नई ऊर्जा का संचार आपके शरीर में हो रहा है. Focus on your breath. Now, bring your attention to your head, hair, forehead, cheek, ears, eyes, neck, chin, chip, nose. See the energy is flowing through all these body parts which I'm stating, and energy is coming back in your neck, your chest, your lower abdomen, upper abdomen, back, lower back, upper back, complete spine, feet, right hand, fingers, palm, wrist, elbow, shoulder, complete right hand, left hand, fingers, palm, wrist, elbow, complete left hand, your leg, right leg, toes, feet, ankle, calf, knee, thigh, complete right leg is now awake, left leg, fingers, feet, ankle, thigh, knee, calf, the complete left leg is now awake and full of energy. Now with this, your entire body is full of energy. and is back. So focus on your breath and lie down towards your right with your palm, join both the palms and put it below your head. Bend your knee a little and lie down on the right side. Be in this position for 10 seconds. Now अपना समय लेते हुए बैठ जाएं, keep your eyes closed. सुखासन में बैठ जाएं. ओम का चैंट करेंगे 3 बार, उसके बाद 3 बार भ्रामरी प्राणायाम करेंगे. So let's chant ओम. सांस अंदर लेते हुए स्टार्ट ओम. प्राणायाम करें. अगर नहीं आता है तो इट्स ओके. अपने लिसन टू माय इंस्ट्रक्शंस. अपने फिंगर से हाथों और थंब से कान को बंद करें और बाकी फिंगर से हाथ आंखों पे रखें और सांस अंदर लेते हैं. जब सांस छोड़े तो हम का साउंड निकालें. जैसे भौरा गुंजन करता है वैसा साउंड रहेगा. लेट्स डू इट फॉर 3 काउंट्स. ब्राह्मी के बाद हथेलियों को आपस में रख दें. ऊर्जा जनरेट करें. रब फास्टर फास्टर एंड फास्टर. उसके बाद जो हथेलियों से अपने फेस को हल्का सा मसाज करें. फेस, नेक, हैंड्स को मसाज करें. गिव योरसेल्फ अ टाइट हग. You have given time to yourself and your body is saying thank you. So give a nice tight hug to yourself and अपना समय लेते हुए environment के प्रति सजग हो जाए और आंखों को धीरे धीरे खोलें. So I'm done. So how was it? You can unmute yourself and if you want you can put your video on and then share. How was it? Did you like it? और मजा नहीं आया, मजा आया, अच्छा है, कैसा फील कर रहे हैं बताएं. This feedback will help me to improve and to continue these sessions in the coming days. Rupal, Priyanka, Digvijay sir.
It was awesome, sir. Enjoyed it as usual. Thank you so much. I've been waiting for this. I'm really grateful to you. Thank you so much, sir. It makes a lot of difference. It really adds a lot of value. So thank you a lot.
Thank you, Rupal. Thank you. And we have been doing this like early at 4 for the past 6 days. Today was 7th day. But somehow like due to some or the other reason we did not reach out to you. But somehow like you found out about this session and you joined. So thank you. So let's continue. Now you are in the group, so you are aware about the sessions. You will be aware about the session details. So do join and get the benefit. Pushpendra, Priyanka,
so much,
would you like to say something? So Pushpendra is regular. He joins with us at 4 a.m. early in the morning. Yeah, Pushpendra.
Yes. Yeah, feeling very fresh, Rajiv. Yes, very good. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you. Digvijay sir, would you like to add something? Or Priyanka, if you want to speak, you can unmute and speak. How you are feeling?
Yeah, it's very good. It's very good initiative. We have joined very first day, and it was very good experience. Thank you for conducting the sessions, and we will try to be regular.
I
Thank
was
you.
feeling very well, भैया जी.
Thank you.
Thank you. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you. Thank you for joining. Digvijay sir, with your one-liner, we can close this. Okay. So he was there with me since early morning at 4. So we had a wonderful session for an hour at 4. And then we had our own mastermind group where we discussed something. And Digvijay sir, you're there? Okay. You might be on mute, Divya sir. Okay. So he is a regular and he is with me, and together we have coined this sessions, and it's really amazing to be associated with him. He is a cyclist and very young at heart, and yeah, and he cycles, and when you speak to him, you won't find like how the time passes by. He is such a knowledgeable person, and in each and every field, like you speak to him on any topic and you will be mesmerized by seeing his knowledge and the kind of insight like he will be giving to you. So thank you, Digvijay sir, for being with us and guiding us. So with this, we will close our session. So thanks a ton. So hope you like this. So normally we conduct our sessions starting at 4, and on a day-to-day basis, it will be difficult for us to conduct it at this time. But if there are more people interested to join, then we can conduct this session late. So do let me know. There is a survey form which I will be rolling out. Okay, so do let me know about fill out that survey form, and based on that, we will decide on the timings. If we have to conduct this session a little late. Okay, so do fill out that survey form, and please put your feedback on the group. Please put your feedback on the group. So it can be a short video, maybe of 30 seconds, 1 minute. So this will help other people to know what kind of value they will be getting in these sessions. And this is free for now. So let's see how it goes. So please, you may put an audio or video feedback or a text, whatever suits you. So kindly do that. Yeah. So that's it. Unless you have anything to say, Pushpin, you were saying something.
No, Rajiv, that's all. Thank you.
Great. So thank you.
Thank you.
So for now, we will try to have a weekly session and see in between if we can do one more session during this time or little early. So just let's discuss this on group and based on the timing. And if there are few more participants, then we can take it session little late. Now we are taking it at 4, but we can take it little late as well. So thank you. Dhanyavad.
Thank you. Leave me.